Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plants, and this is a huge week. There is so many big things happening for me. So I am feeling all of the feelings going into making this spread. So let's go ahead and hop into it. I am going to be using this relatively brand new book called Seasons. It is a collab with Alex House, and it's really fun. I am looking forward to using it. So this is like the Valentine's icons page, and then here's like the boxes that go with it, and that's it. So those are the stickers that I'm mainly going to be using, and then I'm going to be pulling some coordinating colors stickers out of these 4 books, and these are all from my stash I've had for a long time. So okay, here we go. So Monday, here we go. This is going to be my first day of work. This is a huge deal, and I am having lots of different feelings all about it. As it gets closer and closer, I think I wanted to, well, okay, so this red, it's not picking up on the camera, but it's much different when you look at it straight on. It's more of like an orangey red, so I don't have an exact washi to go with it, but I kind of wanted to, maybe I'll just skip that part, but okay, let's just keep going. So first day of work, I'll put it up here. Okay. And so I am gonna, because work is 3 hours away where we're moving to, I'm staying with my dad Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday night, and then Thursday after work, I'm gonna come home. So I guess I'll just make a tiny note that like this is recycle day, so I gotta make sure I tell my husband. But other than that, let me come in here and pull out those stickers that I wanted to use in this spread in this book. So I would love if Count Your Blessings matched, but that is purple. So I'm going to do this celebration. I was thinking I really wanted to, I just want to make sure that it matches. But it has this hot pink. I guess it's not a big deal. I'm going to do it. Because this is Super Bowl Sunday and we will officially be moved back. It's going to be a great day. So I'm going to put that there. All right. I'm doing this out of order because my heart is just like racing. I'm feeling all the feelings. Okay. I'm going to pull out some that I definitely know that I want to use. Adultish is funny. Definitely the right, like, kind of coral-ish color. Oh, I love this. Progress over perfection. That's like perfect for this week. Do all things in love. I'm just going to have like a lot of quotes. Okay. Can y'all see my hand shaking? I need to like calm down. I really need to calm down. Okay. I think this is a good match. So I'll pull that out. All right, this is what I'm going to use for the Super Bowl. as a box. Be different, babe. I really like that. Okay, well, okay, before I start pulling everything out, I need to figure out what sidebar I'm gonna do. Like, yes, it's a busy week. But I'm probably gonna do another like really big, I'm gonna put this like this. I'm probably gonna do another big half sheet for my big to-do list because that worked so well last week for me. It was like perfect for everything I needed. Here is to do. Oh, I love these. All right, I'm gonna put this on Saturday for all the moving. Oof, I'm sweating. Oh, look at this action plan. This is really good. I didn't want it to look like so stacked, but I might do it anyways. And then I can put stickers on it and stuff. All right. I don't think I am going to be able to film without getting interrupted until we move into this house, because it just seems like that's when everybody wants to call me. All right, party time is for the Super Bowl. Progress over perfection. Right here. So I like to put that gel pen under it just because the black line doesn't come through and it looks like a white sticker, you know, instead of clear. Okay. Woof. So far I haven't even used any of these stickers. I'm all over the place. All right. We're getting focused. We're going to do this. I'm acting like I've never bought a house before. This is literally our third house. But it's like nerve-wracking every single time. Who can relate? Who can relate? Okay. The colors are looking good. I really hate this, but I feel like that's something that I'm really going to need for moving day. So I'm just going to roll with it. All right, send more love letters. That's really cute, but I'm going to put probably this up here. All right, now let's put some decor. Let's put these glasses, start decorating. I love what Alex's house does. It's like, it looks like hand drawn, and it probably is hand drawn. And I think it's so different. It's not like cookie cutter like everything else, you know? All right. This chocolate box is like so cute. Well, let me put it kind of in the middle of the day. I'm gonna be driving home at this point. So let's just put it kind of like here. Driving home. And then the signing appointment, gotta get a box for that. Well, no, I gotta get a different color. We're signing the papers early since we're going far away. Oh, let me use this. This is cute. For like, wake up. This is an important day. I'm gonna white out this corner just a little bit to put the alarm clock. No more sleeping in for me. Let's find I don't want like a huge box. Ooh, look at this, get it done. It's a little bit too small. Let me see. Let me do this. So Friday, it's at noon. Okay. Let's see. I probably need one for like picking up the dogs from my mom's house and then coming home kind of thing. Oh, there's appointment. I'll put it right in the middle. I really like this never forget your own worth. All right, let me see. Okay. And put, is this so ugly? I really hope it's not because I can't be messing around. Got stuff to do. Look at these hearts. I gotta go find day off. I think it's in that other book I was using. That's good. Oh, here it is. Day off on Friday. Make it stand out a little bit. I think this is gonna come together more if I put down more of these things. I'm going to put action plan for moving day and then all the things I got to remember. And I need to cover up this bullet point because that's not going to be used since Grace Not Perfection is on there. So I'll put hot stuff to cover it right up. There we go. I'm not totally obsessed with it. I think I used a lot of other stickers that don't necessarily match perfectly, but like I could swap these two out, but not a big deal. I mean, I knew that there was only 2 sheets to work with, so I was going to have to use other things anyways. So I think it's okay. It's all done. Yay! All right, this is a big day. So I start work, we sell our house, we got to sign the paperwork, and then we move, and it's the Super Bowl, staying at my dad's, lots of things. So this is a big week. All right. Thankfully, I have my planner to keep me organized though. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and continuing to be subscribed and helping me out by liking the video, all those things. Oh, I just found this. So I can't thank you guys enough also for being patient while I have been so busy and crazy and everything like that. But I'm going to try, and I am trying my hardest to, look, I found another sticker that I didn't put down yet. As I was saying, I am trying my hardest to get out all of the content for you guys and have it scheduled to upload and everything, even while I'm moving. So thank you so much for all of your sweet comments and your support and your love and all the things. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.